Learning English with English Faculties.
Hello there, little learners. Welcome to our special explainer today. We're going on a wonderful, super fun safari. Now, a safari is a big adventure where we look for very special things. And today? Well, we are looking for our special letter friends. I'm going to speak very, very slowly so you can really listen, look, and learn right along with me. Are you ready? Let's go!
So, we have 5 very, very important letter friends to meet today. They're called vowels. Let's say their names together nice and slowly. A, E, I, O, U. Good job! All right, sit up straight and let's get ready to learn the beautiful sounds they make together.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Number 1, the letter A. Ah, apple. Here's the very first letter friend on our safari. Look at that. This is the big letter A, and next to it, the little letter a. You know, the letter A makes the sound ah. Can you open your mouth really wide? Ah. Let's just pause and say this fun word together. Ah, ah, apple. Just like a sweet, crunchy red apple. Ah.
Now, take a look at this beautiful animal. This is an anteater. Anteater starts with the letter A. Let's point right at the screen and say it very, very slowly together. Ah, ah, anteater. Do you see his long nose? Ah, ah, anteater. Okay, now it's your turn. I want to hear you. Can you say the letter A? And can you make it special sound? Ah. One more time with me. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Oh, wonderful.
Moving right along. Number 2, the letter E. Egg. We are doing so well. Let's slowly walk over to our next letter friend. Here it is, the big letter E. The letter E says eh. Try making a little smile when you say it. Eh. Let's practice saying a word together. Egg. Just like a yummy egg you might eat for breakfast. Egg.
Oh wow, look at that. What is this very big animal? It's an elephant. Elephant starts with the letter E. Let's point and say, elephant. Look at those giant ears and that long trunk. Elephant.
Let's stop for just a tiny moment. Who remembers? What sound does the letter E make? Put your hand right behind your ear and say it loud and clear for me. Yes, You are so smart. Now, what's really interesting about this next one is number 3, the letter I. Igloo. It looks just like a tall, straight line, doesn't it? Here is the giant letter I, and the letter I makes the sound I. Try putting your finger right below your lip and say I. Let's repeat this fun word together. Igloo. An igloo is a cool little house made of cold ice. Igloo.
Oh, and look at this friendly green animal. He's an iguana. Iguana starts with the letter I. Let's say it very slowly while we look at him. Iguana. Go ahead and say hello to the green iguana.
All right, it's your turn again. Give me a big, big smile. Can you practice saying the letter I with me? And let's make that I sound together. Are you ready? I. Fantastic job. Let's move on and see how this builds. Number 4, the letter O. Octopus. This one is completely round, just like a ball. Look at that big letter O. Do you see how perfectly round it is? To say this letter, you actually make your mouth round like a circle too. Go ahead, trace a circle around your mouth with your finger. The letter O says O. Try it with me. O. Now let's say octopus. An octopus lives way down deep in the sea. Octopus.
Look at this incredibly cute animal playing in the green grass. This is an otter. Otter starts with the letter O. Let's say it very clearly together. Otter. Oh, he looks like he's having so much fun out there.
I'll just wait for a moment. Can you remember the sound? What sound does the letter O make? Make your mouth into a big circle right now. Yes,
Oh, very, very good.
Okay, here we are. Number 5, the letter U. Up. We have officially reached our final letter friend today.
Take a look at the giant letter U. The letter U makes a very gentle little sound. It says, It kind of sounds just like you're thinking really, really hard. Can you repeat this short word with me? Up. Point your finger way up to the sky. Up.
Now let's try reading this word together. Umbrella. Umbrella. You know, when it rains, you use an umbrella to stay nice and dry. Put your hands up over your head, just like you're holding a big umbrella in the rain. Let's say it. Umbrella.
You are doing so wonderfully today. Can you proudly say the letter U for me and make it special sound one last time? Say it nice and loud. Great job.
So the crucial point here is, look at all our friends together on the screen. A-E-I-O-U. These 5 special letters are the vowels. They make all those wonderful sounds we just learned today. You worked so hard on our Phonics Safari, and I am very, very proud of you.
Before we finish our explainer today, I have one really big question for you to think about. Which letter sound was your absolute favorite today? Was it the anteater, the elephant, or maybe the iguana? Pick your favorite animal and practice making its special vowel sound all day long. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time.